honored to be here today at the 18th edition of Automation Expo.
This is where innovation will play a great role. So I'm sure during these deliberations, many brains will come together, discuss new ideas.
I want to say thank you for having me here today. It's a real privilege to be part of this great exhibition. I want to say a big thank you to the organizer for bringing us together today.
It's amazing. The way the arrangements have been made, the way the setups have been made, the way the exhibition hall has been designed, it's completely amazing. And this is going to be really a boost to the industrial automation.
I found the Automation Expo 2025 very interesting and very impressive with the participants and the product displays from Indian suppliers as well as from all over the world.